Audio test number 1, inbuilt GoPro Hero 5 microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Right, so here's our setup. We have the Tonor microphone, this one here, studio microphone. At the moment we're using a GoPro Hero 5 Black, and this is just the GoPro's natural inbuilt microphone. And in a second I'm going to plug in a Tonor. We're going to see if it works and see if we get any more clarity. So this is audio test number 2. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Tonor microphone plugged into the GoPro Hero 5. So we want to know if this is any better. We've got our wee pop filter here. This has got this wee shock absorber. I'm going to give it a wee shake about and see how it sounds. This is me standing pretty much right next to the mic. You can see my hand here. I am literally right here. If I stand over at the opposite end of the room, I want to know if that makes a difference as well. It's plugged in, it's got all of its wee bits with it, so it's got the little audio box here as well. Connects via USB. At the moment I've got this plugged into a travel connector, so instead of it plugged into the wall socket, I've got it plugged into just a wee adapter here, just to see how it works if I was out and about somewhere with it. We'll take this back, we'll pop it on the computer and we'll see how it does.